Today I'm going to show you how to estimate BAMO for a transaction using QuickNode RPC in N8N, step by step. This is a simple but very useful workflow setup if you want to calculate gas before sending a transaction, automate blockchain actions, or prepare smarter web free flows inside N8N. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8N. You can use an existing workflow or start with a new one, depending on what you're building. Once you're inside the workflow canvas, go to the Nodes panel. This is where you can search for and add the integration you need. In the Nodes panel, choose QuickNode RPC. After you add it to your workflow, look through the available operations and select Estimate Gas for Transaction. This is the action you need when you want to find out how much gas a transaction is likely to require before broadcasting it to the network. Now it's time to configure what you want. Set up the transaction details based on your use case and make sure the input values are correct for the chain and transaction you're working with. Depending on your workflow, this may include the sender, receiver, value, data, or any other transaction parameters that apply to your setup. Once everything is configured, double-check your fields to make sure the estimate is based on the exact transaction you want to test. Then save and run the node to get your gas estimate. That's it. You've now set up QuickNode RPC in N8N to estimate gas for a transaction. It's a quick way to prepare your blockchain workflows more efficiently and avoid surprises before sending transactions. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more N8N and Web3 automation tutorials.